welcome back to Naturalyewi. Thank you for tuning in. So today's video we are going to be doing some two-strand twist, and basically it's just 3 products that I used, and this is the step that I take whenever I do a two-strand twist. I started with spritzing my hair with water to get it moisturized. As you can see, never comb your hair with while it's dry. It's not a good idea unless you want your hair to fall out. So anyways, that's basically what I do first, and then I start parting slowly. When I do this hairstyle or protective style, I start with the front of my head because that is the most visible part that I can see, and then I work my way towards the end. So yeah, this is the step. I hope you guys like this video. I only use, like I said, 3 products, which is the sulfur, the virgin hair fertilizer, as well as the coconut cream of nature coconut hair milk, and that was able to keep my hair in for a while. I think I had the style in for more than a week, so I will be retwisting as time progresses, but this is the step that I take. I hope you guys enjoy this video once again. Make sure you thumbs it up, like, and also subscribe if you haven't. Also, make sure you're drinking your water and taking care of yourself. I know it's not easy these days that we're in, and I just wanted to encourage you guys. So keep your head up and look out for more videos. Take care. So what you just saw is me twisting my hair, and I'm gonna go over and do everything to these strands because my hair is breaking. I'm dealing with postpartum shedding, and I'm just gonna be twisting and leaving it in this protective style. I mean, it's not the best or neatest in my opinion, but this is a step in trying to prevent more breakage to my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish doing this next step, and I will be right back to show you guys the result. Fingers crossed it turns out really well. And you guys saw the product earlier. The product that I'm using, I'm still using this, and I don't use a lot of product in my hair, so when I use it, it does last me months. Like I can use one product for like almost 6 months because I'm training myself to be as minimalistic and not to use so much product, because hello, we're in quarantine season and things are expensive, like pricey, and a little goes a long way as long as my hair is thriving and getting the best. And my hair loves water, and what I sprayed earlier, what you sprayed is half aloe vera juice and half water, and this is gonna be what I will be doing consistently. You want to eat consistently, because some of us struggle with consistency. By the grace of God, Yahweh, we're gonna get it right. So with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna tune it down a bit because I'm getting a bit loud, and just finish this up. I hope it turns out really well. I haven't done a two-strand twist since I was pregnant. That was 7 months ago. Wait, I can't do math. Maybe 6 months now, so that was a long time ago. So now we're about to do this again. This is sulfur with virgin hair fertilizer. So this is adding to my hair growth as well. some people don't like the smell of it. I don't mind it. I think I got used to it over the years, you know, but it does wonder. My hair, you know, I mean, it's normal for hair to shed, but when it gets too excessive, then that's when you start to worry about, right? So we're gonna try and restore this shedding problem. Okay. Oh my gosh. Anywho, thank you for watching. Make sure you click the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, and if you are not, thanks for liking this channel. Leave a comment once again, and I will continue to chat with you guys in the comment section. I hope you keep your head high, take care of yourself, drink some water, and stay true.